Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
We begin with news that the police have begun a top-level probe after 4 people were murdered in Little London, Westmoreland this morning.
The police have now confirmed that members of the Kings Valley gang are behind the attack and they have been quietly regrouping.
Here is Kirk Wright with more.
23-year-old Siobhan Humes and his brothers, 29-year-old Howard and 33-year-old Paulton, were killed when gunmen invaded their home in Maysmore Meadows. 25-year-old Kenisha Wilson, who was also at the house, was killed in the attack. A 5-year-old child who was also there was not harmed. A police source told TVJ News that the gunmen were searching for a witness who is also a relative of the brothers. At a media briefing this afternoon, head of the Westmoreland Police, Superintendent Gary McKenzie, said members of the criminal gangs have been regrouping in quiet communities in the parish. 7 members of the Kings Valley gang were charged last month by CTOC. CTOC has accused the gang of being involved in several murders, extortion, and robberies in Westmoreland. The gang is also linked to the lottery scam. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.